The new Plush Hess toy is on sale, starts today. It's a cement mixer. This is all plush. So if you have a small child, this is very nice. I bought the one last year in 220. It was a fire truck. And when you squeeze certain things on it, the music plays, the lights flash. Well, this is basically the same type of toy. It has songs, light, night light mode. So it'll go on for night light, and then all of a sudden it'll shut off automatically. And it's all soft. Safety for that younger child if you have. So the new Plush Hess toy truck cement mixer. A little cheaper than last year's. Last year's was $39.99 for the fire truck. But I got the cement mixer. Went on sale today. I'll put the link down for Hess. I'll put this link down. You go here. Just click on this. And this pops up. Your cement mixer. So you can order it if you like. The new Plush Hess toy truck cement mixer on sale starts today, March 8th, 2021.